In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. To get started, open Airtable and go into the base where you want your dashboard to live. Make sure you're inside the correct base before moving on, because the interface you create will be connected to the data in that specific workspace. If you manage multiple projects or teams, this is a good time to quickly confirm you've opened the right one. Once you're inside the base, look for the Interfaces section and click on it. This is where Airtable lets you build more visual, interactive layouts on top of your existing data. Instead of working only from tables, you can create a more polished experience for reporting, tracking, and decision making. From the Interfaces area, choose Build It Yourself. This option gives you more control over the layout and setup, which is ideal when you want to create a custom dashboard rather than using a fully pre-made view. It's a simple way to start with flexibility while still keeping the setup process guided. Next, click Build an Interface. This opens the interface creation flow and begins the setup for your new dashboard. Airtable will walk you through a few quick configuration screens so you don't need to build everything from scratch manually. Continue by clicking Next, then click Next again on the following screen. These steps move you through Airtable's setup wizard, where it prepares the basic structure for your interface. Even if the screens seem simple, they're part of defining how your interface will be created behind the scenes. When you reach the layout choices, select Dashboard. This is the key step because it tells Airtable you want a dashboard-style interface rather than another type of page. Dashboards are especially useful when you want to highlight important metrics, summaries, charts, or records in one clear visual space. After choosing Dashboard, click Next to confirm your selection and proceed. Airtable will now finalize the setup based on that dashboard layout. Finally, click Finish. Airtable will create your custom dashboard interface and open it for you, ready for further customization. At this point, you'll have the foundation in place, and you can begin adjusting the content and layout inside Airtable as needed. That's it. You've successfully created a custom dashboard in Airtable. If you're following along, take a moment to review the dashboard once it opens so you can make sure it matches the base you intended to use and is ready for the next stage of customization.